Hey, what if I told you there's a secret button hidden right on the back of your iPhone? No, I'm not kidding. Watch this. See that? I just took a screenshot by double tapping the Apple logo. It's a game changer, and most people have no idea it even exists. So, how do you turn this on? It's super simple. Just grab your phone, go into Settings, and then find Accessibility. From there, tap on Touch and scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see an option called Back Tap. Here, you can set a double tap or even a triple tap to do all sorts of cool stuff. I use mine for screenshots, but you could set it to open your camera, turn on the flashlight, or even lock your screen. It's like having a magic button. If you thought that was cool, I've got a lot more where that came from. Follow me to unlock 29 more secrets you didn't know your phone could do. You won't regret it.